In this unit, we're going to be building a simple command line utility to kind of practice all the things that we've learned in this course. It's not going to be a very complicated utility. It's a very simple GitHub reporting utility. Basically, what it does is it's a command line utility. You pass in a user name, a GitHub user name, and it makes a call to the GitHub REST API and gets some user information and some of the top repositories for that user. And starts it in descending order of the number of forks, basically the repositories which are more popular. It's a simple utility which is run on the command line. You pass the username as a command line argument, and it makes this REST API call and just prints out some simple output. The idea is not to have something that is useful. The idea is to just create a project, a simple project to showcase the concepts that we've learned so far. Okay, so I have created an empty folder here called GitHub report, which is going to be my project folder. And this is where I'm going to be placing all the source files. I'm going to open the console and I'm going to initialize the project. There are a couple of things you need to do to initialize it. First is the npm init in order to make this an npm project. The second is the TypeScript init in order to get the TypeScript configuration file. So I'm going to type npm init, and this is going to get me my package.json. I'm just going to stick to the defaults. And next I'm going to do a tsc init in order to initialize the TypeScript configuration. -- init. And now I have the tsconfig.json with the default options. We have a package.json with, again, some basic things here. I am going to create a source folder which is going to contain all my source files. This is going to be different from what we've been doing so far. We've placed the source files in the root, but in order to make things a little bit cleaner, I'm going to create this folder called src, and in my tsconfig.json I have this property called root dir. As you can see here, it's used to specify the root directory for input files. Now I am going to have this point to src. So I'm basically telling the TypeScript compiler to look at the src folder in order to generate, in order to look at the source files for compilation. And I'm also going to create an out dir, and I'm just going to call this out, and this is where the output directory is going to be. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this out, and this is where the output is going to go. In src, I'm going to create an index.ts. Like I said, the convention is to have index as the file name for something that kind of starts the execution process. So I've created this index.ts, and just to test this out, I'm going to do console.log of hello, and in my package.json I have a start script like we've seen in the last unit, and here I'm going to say tsc in order to compile the source code. Since I have the source input configuration from the source folder, I don't have to provide anything else, and I'm going to execute this with node out/index.js, because that's going to be the compiled output. Index.ts in the source folder is going to go to out/index.js. So that's what node is going to execute. I'm going to save this and run this with node start. That's npm start, sorry. The compilation happens and hello gets printed. So everything is good. We have bootstrapped this application and we're all set to start coding it.